the last week here at the residency of Apapacho in Mexico City. It's a really great creative space. I've been able to dive deep into some of the things I've been wanting to explore around filmmaking, around change, how time changes our perspective on things and things naturally evolve. And it's just been great to be back in the city again. I really encourage you to support ProArtes Mexico and their residency here, Apapacho. It's a wonderful project. Brings many artists to Mexico City to explore its riches. I've had an opportunity to reflect on how this city has changed in the 8 years since I first moved here. And in many ways, it stays the same, continually cycling onward. This immense city sitting atop an ancient lake, Mastrutitlan, as my friend Cristo likes to call it. It has a really unique energy. Always feels very creative when I'm here. So much movement swirling around, so much chaos, so much creativity, just like the waves of water on the lake. I had the opportunity to learn a little bit more about filmmaking this week, and I learned some things about my own interests, techniques, some things I can work on to grow, to move from being more of a vlogger into an actual filmmaker, para ser más cineasta que videógrafo. Es mi meta. Ahora en la ciudad tuve una gran oportunidad para explorar estas cosas. I began to work on a project on the back patio of Apapacho, even as I explored the city, taking in the barrios where I lived during my time there. I reflected on how life is relentless in its continual change and flow. I came across street artists who reminded me that performance is not only an expression, but also a way of survival. How work and performance are intimately connected here. I thought of this as I worked on my project, a mini mural to sit amongst the other resident artists' work on the patio. I recalled seeing the teams of street cleaners with their handmade brooms of supple branches attached to long wooden poles. At breakfast, I noticed how everything is in exchange with some type of work. How we both give and receive in the act of working. And as I cleaned up from the work on my project, I gave thanks for the creative work which enriches my life. Tengo mucha gratitud de Peter y Stephanie, de ProArtes México y Apapacho, por la ciudad y mi residencia. Keep growing, keep exploring, keep learning. That's how we get where we're going. It's by trying new things, by reflecting, by creating, becoming more expansive along the way, more fully the beings that we already are. Gracias por acompañarme en este viaje, chicos. Te amo. Besos.